So we finally got to the cooking class. See the scallion and ingredients right there. Ready to make, I guess it's some soup we'll be making. I'm setting up the table there, just in the camera. On the left side of the screen where I'm standing here, we have some of the students. And then across, right across, what's that? You have this. Right across, yeah, see the other students on the right side over there. The camera caught a glimpse of them. So you see some of the ingredients right there in that plate, that big white plate right there. That's what we're going to be using. Each station has their own. Each of the student, whatever they're cooking, and they bring us different ingredients and so forth. And we have a stove right there. Those stoves are really good, you know. The fire, once you click that on, puts out a whole bunch of fire. Yeah, so that's what we'll be doing there. And at the very top, right there in the middle, you see Regent. She's the cooking instructor. And she's giving us the direction and how to proceed. This will be our first Thai dish that we will be cooking. Unfortunately, we don't have any audio, as I said previously. See, she gave me that right there. Taste it. Yeah. Yeah, as I said previously, the microphone went out, so we can't capture the audio, but we have video, which is better than none. You can see I raised my hand there. I guess I have a question there. Yeah. And she came and she brought some stuff there for me. Yep. There. We made like two different dishes. One was like a soup, and another one with a shrimp and so forth. So everyone already settled in to their station. One thing about that kitchen, it's well, it's very airy, you know. It's not enclosed. You don't need you don't need these big exhaust fans to pull smoke out. It's open up because in that part of the country, you can open up the doors, open up windows or what have you. See, like right behind me there, you see a window is open. You can see the trees outside. all the ingredients are being put in right now. You have certain times you put in certain things. That's what she's telling us. And there's a pot right there to my left. See? So we have to wait. Right? And putting in some of those herbs right now. That's the big knife used to cut up and put stuff in. Not sure what I'm checking there. I sure didn't have a date that I'm checking. Maybe my email. And still cutting, still chopping and chopping into small pieces. Looks like the camera adjusted itself. Seems as they got a much close-up view there. So Region is giving us some more instructions. You can see her right there in the middle. I wonder how many times a week she does this class. I didn't even get to ask that question. That must be really enjoyable. Having foreigners come in and learn how to cook Thai food, and yeah, there's no stress in that. Must be an enjoyable job. I would think so. You meet different people and they want to learn about your culture. They want to learn how you cook certain dishes and so forth. We did get a book from her. I have the book. But she did say what we were cooking wasn't in that book. So when I get time, I'm gonna go through that book. I'm gonna look through it and see what I can learn to cook Thai food. And then another class eventually was cooking Vietnam. When I get to Vietnam, I'll be cooking there too. That be in Hoi An, where there's a farm, and I actually did some farm work. Yeah, I actually carried some water and helped a lady. All right.